So guys, in this video we'll be setting up pfsense in VMware workstation and also expose RDP server from Windows 10. Okay, let's get started. Let's create a new VM now for the pfsense. As was already selected, so I'll just click next. I'll give the name pfsense and click next. 8 GB space. I'll configure this now. I'll give 1 GB RAM for this, and then I'll add another network adapter. Click add network adapter. On network adapter 2, we'll go with custom network and we'll set VM net 19. Okay, this is for personal preference. You can go with any of this, but don't go with NAT or host only. And VMnet 0 is also don't go. It is for the bridge. Only go above 9 to 19 and 2 to 7. Okay, and close now. Just finish it. Now let's set up the pfsense. Press enter to access. Press enter to install. Enter to select false. Press enter to auto GFS. Enter to select proceed with installation. And press enter to strict no redundancy. Press spacebar to select the configuration. Space be selected and press enter to continue. Press here S and enter. I don't want to change anything and enter to no and enter to reboot. Our pfsense installation procedure is complete now. We'll wait for the pfsense to reboot. And this is our Windows 10 machine. Let's go to the machine settings now. And if you see here on the network adapter settings, we choose the same network. We choose the same virtual network which we gave on the pfsense. Okay, VMnet 19. We need to give both same. So our pfsense LAN will be used for this as WAN. Okay. Let's start our VM. I will disconnect the LAN for the time being. You can turn on the LAN after that once our pfsense is configured and setup complete. Okay, our pfsense setup is now complete. You can see we got our WAN IP and LAN IP. Okay. Now let's go to our Windows. Okay. Let's turn on the network here. You can see our network adapter using VMnet 19. Here you can see our adapter 2 is VMnet 19 and adapter 1 is NAT. Okay, we'll go and type in our IP 192.168.1.1 as you can see here. Press advance and click continue. By default, sign in login details were username admin and password pfsense lowercase. Click sign in. Okay, continue. You can give 1.1.1.1 as primary, Cloudflare DNS and 8.8.8.8 Google DNS, and I'll override DNS while uncheck and click next. Set up your time zone. Kolkata, that is Kolkata, Asia Kolkata, and click next. You don't need to change anything here, just simply unblock this so it will allow private networks to enter into our pfsense WAN. Okay, click next. And you can change this, but I don't want you to change here, but I want you, if you want to change, you change using the command line in the pfsense. Okay, click next and change the admin password now from default pfsense to whatever you wish to choose. Okay, I'll go with the simple one and click reload. Okay, everything is now set up. Just click finish now. Our configurations will be completed. Okay, now we are complete. So there's one more thing. Go to the services and DNS resolver. Go down and find DNS query forwarding. Enable it and then save. Apply changes. Changes have been applied. Let's forward RDP. Okay, so this is the VM now, and find the system. From there we'll go to remote desktop. Here it is enabled now. Okay, enable it now. Confirm my list will be it. Now I will enable it again. Okay, now it is enabled. Okay, our IP I will show you here. CMD IP config. You can see our IP is 192.168.1.102. Okay, let's go port forwarding here. Come to firewall and then NAT. Here in the port forwarding section, click add and don't change the interface. We are going to connect to the WAN, okay, and then we'll use TCP protocol, and we don't need to change anything here. And go to this here. Port 3389 is the default RDP port. Okay, so we'll just add a 3389 there and redirect target IP to our machine which is running RDP server 192.168.1.102. Okay, and in that server our RDP server is running at port 3389. Okay, here user is connecting using 3389 port to the server running at 3389 port. Okay, I'll give it the description RDP desktop. Okay, and click save. Apply changes. The changes have been applied successfully. Okay, let's go. This is my main window. I'll go RDP and I will type the IP of our pfsense. So it is here 92.168.224.128. Okay, and I previously connected to this one, so it is showing like this. So I'll click username for me and I'll enter the password here. Click OK and press enter. Now we are inside our VMs through RDP. Okay. Okay. And now connect. Hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching.